Nag-umpisa.
Ba't nag-red siya?
Umpisa na siya. Guys, we're back! So ngayon, kung as you can see, nakikita nyo, meron tayo ditong mga Jack and Jill products.
Wow!
Like Piatos, Vicat. Ayan, nakikita nyo lahat dyan. So, kakainin natin yan ngayon. Right? We're going to eat that? Yeah! So, what are we waiting for? Let's go! Let's go! So, ngayon, ang unahin natin ay, ano gusto mo, Dad? Mauna.
Oh, yung V-cut na green.
V-cut na green?
Wow!
Eh.
You like that V-cut?
V-cut. You like this one? Yeah, let's open it. Woo! Okay. Wow! Let's put it here.
You like that?
V-cut green. Okay, let's taste it. Go. Mm. Mm. Garlic to, no?
Sour and cream.
Oh, sorry.
Tama ba? Sour and cream
Ang
garlic.
sarap. Mm.
Crunchy.
Crunchy. Nung bata ako, paborito ko yung V-cut na this one.
Ito. Oh, open
Mm-mm.
it.
Later.
Mamaya.
Tapos itong habang tumatanda na ako, ayoko na ng chips. Medyo nagle-lesson na ako sa ano. Mm. 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 Kailangan natin uminom ng maraming water later, okay? Mm. Water? You want water? Want water?
You want butter?
Water? Okay. Mm.
Butter daw.
Water daw siya. Fine. Okay, you can get. Get it. Put it here. Next, I think this one.
Roller coaster.
Roller coaster. Okay. Wow! Roller coaster.
You put it on your finger.
Go.
Like this. You get one.
What one? This one. Open this one now.
What's that?
This is pretzel.
Show it to them.
Wait, what's next? It's just that.
Gatos.
Piatos? Ano flavor nito? Oh, salted potato. Okay, let's open it. Wow! Okay. Just eat the chocolate.
This one.
Yeah.
Just one, okay? One only. Okay? We're not allowed to eat too much. Hmm? Mm. What do you choose?
Next one.
Mm-hmm.
Which one?
You choose that.
Cheese curls.
Cheese curls. Wow.
Wow.
Siyempre meron tayo ditong pampatanggal ng umay. Pineapple juice, Daddy.
Open ba na?
Pineapple juice. Daddy, open mine. Siyempre maaalat sila so kailangan natin ng pampatanggal ng
Wala akong mix.
umay.
Wow.
Wow.
Amy.
What you said? Asim?
Okay.
Go.
Yeah.
This one. Thank you. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
My
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Anong pinantas mo?
Mm. Yum, yum, yum.
Yummy?
Mm. Eat. Drink water. Okay, ano?
Ayan.
So next,
Ikaw na pamila.
tapos na tayo sa piatos eh, kasi okay na yan. Chocolate naman tayo?
Chocolate.
Or Mr. Chips? Mr. Chips!
Favorite mo ba?
Favorite niya to?
Yung bata.
There. Thank you. Chocolate naman.
Ito?
Yeah. What's that? Choconuts.
Japanese game.
Wow. Ang konti lang na laman nila, no?
Wow.
Nagkakoskat sila. Parang chocolate ba? Light color sila.
Mami, try, Lala. Next.
One more, oh.
Daddy, you choose. Okay. Go ahead.
You open na.
Wow.
Okay. No? Not good for you?
Meron. Ang taste. Di ba spicy yan?
No. Barbecue flavor.
Next.
Next.
Ikaw naman pumili.
Chippy, hindi pa natin na-try ang chippy.
Ako yung chicken. Old school.
Chippy.
Barbecue flavor.
Barbecue flavor. Wow. Wow. You're not allowed to eat that no more, okay?
Medyo matigas to, diba?
Oh, no more for you. No more for you. Just the chocolate, okay? Understand? No.
Yeah,
Just
that's
chocolate. No, just the chocolate.
Chocolate.
Chocolate only, okay? Promise? Promise. Promise. Promise, Daddy. No more. No more.
High five.
Just the chocolate, okay?
High five. Anyway.
Next. Wiggles.
Wiggles.
Wiggles. Kailan pa na ano tong Wiggles,
Apat lang
Daddy?
yung laman.
Oh. Lana. Kailan pa to na ano na I mean kailan siya lumabas? 80s?
Hindi. 2000.
Kasi nung bata ako wala pang Wiggles eh. 'Di ba? Wala naman nakalagay dito.
Year
Wiggles.
2000 siguro.
2000 lang.
Oh. Test na natin. What is?
like it? It's not lollipop. It's not lollipop.
Sarap siya.
Alam mo yan? Masarap pa to guys pag ano, di ba? Pag na-ref, nilagay sa ref.
Pag malamig.
Tapos medyo matigas-tigas siya ng konti.
Yup.
Yeah. Is piatos na cheese.
Piatos tayo kanina yung cheese.
Walang malaki nung ano, nung salted ba yun?
Ah.
Okay.
Ayun. One. One
Just
only.
one, okay. Okay. Mm. Mm.
Sunod.
Ito paborito ko sa ano, piatos to.
Currently.
Ay, yung cheese minsan nakakaumay siya.
Masyado siyang maalat.
Kaya nga nag-pineapple ako.
So next, try natin.
Nova, ano?
Nova Classic. Lightly salted siya.
More?
More? Wait for it. Wait for it.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay. Parang ito hindi masyadong maalat. Okay.
Nakilala yung lightly salted.
Ha?
Lightly salted.
Parang ko lang natikman yun. Okay. Hi. Hello.
Wow,
Hello.
wow,
I love you.
yes,
Next.
On your side naman.
On my side.
Puro piatas na.
Roast beef.
Piatas.
wow,
Wow, not good for you this one.
wow. No, you take it. Mama, 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 mama.
Alatan pa na. Una.
Next. You say next, baby. Next.
Oh, this one.
What's that?
Chippy.
Parang nakain na tayo kanina nito.
Hindi, original flavor yun yan.
Ah, chili and cheese.
Oo.
Not good for you this one, baby. Baka humingi siya.
Taste lang.
No, next. Not good for the spicy one. Ano to?
Piatas.
Barbecue piato.
Roadster.
Ang dami pala ng Jack and Jill product. Ano?
Kulang pa nga yun.
Kulang pa ba to?
Oo. Wala pa yung mga Jack and Jill na Magic Flakes.
Ah, okay. Parang puro cheese yung Jack and Jill.
Ay, wala akong nabiling ano yung favorite natin. Yung Pastillas.
Parang spicy din to, nak.
Jack and Jill pastillas.
Wow.
No.
Medyo spicy nga siya. No?
Oh, spicy siya.
Next.
No ba? No.
Ano ba? Ano ba?
Ano ba?
Cheese flavor.
Oh.
Wow.
Wow.
Woo! Crunchy. Crunchy.
Okay.
Water. That will be enough. Okay? Enough? Next, dal. Bigat, spicy. Hihingi siya. So, ito. Bigat, spicy. Bawal sa'yo.
Ang galing.
Okay, this one. Now, let's proceed to this one. My favorite! Piato, sour and cream. Wow.
What's that? Taste only yan.
Taste. Ano to, anak? This is one. Milky nut. Milky nut. This is one. Guys, ito na lang ang natira. Sana'y natakam namin kayo.
Say bye-bye na.
Bye. Say bye. Bye. Hanggang sa muli.